I should probably also mention that you've seen me dusting crumbs into the floor probably like this whole time. We're going to get to the floors very last, so that is coming up. Now, you know that I did already Lysol this, but my husband came in and ate dinner. Like I said, he was coming in a little later like he always does. So I'm just going ahead and wiping everything down just one more time to make sure that it's extra clean and ready for the next morning. I wanted to also give this a quick mention. I just got this vacuum at the beginning of this week and I have used it already like 6 or 7 times. I'm obsessed. It is the Shark Rocket 0M or like ZM, I don't know, something. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. You would not believe, like, I'm a Shark person through and through, and I have a Shark already, and it does an amazing job, but it's 5 years old. And you would not believe, after I opened this vacuum and used it, the stuff that came out of my carpet and off of my floor that the other vacuum was not getting up. So I'm going to link this one down below if you're looking for a new vacuum. This one does have a cord because I vacuum a lot, and I know that those cordless ones like the Dysons, they only last 7 to 12 minutes. And your girl ain't got time for that. I ain't got time to recharge the vacuum for 3.5 hours. So I got one with a cord. Love it, love it, love it. Highly recommend this one. Gonna link it down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Okay, y'all, I'm about to show you something really gross, so brace yourself, okay? Look at this. This is everything I got up out of my floor, and I keep my floor extremely clean. This thing is amazing. How gross. I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching my video and taking time out of your day to come to my channel and my video. I love you all. Please subscribe if you have not already. We would love to have you here with our YouTube family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.